I'm excited. Now I'm here in Hatfield's beach where the kids still play in the streets and you get that nostalgic feeling of old New Zealand here. Now the other reason I'm excited, and the main reason, is this, the home. There's 4 bedrooms, there's space for family, there's 2 garages, there's lawn, there's space for the spa, there's 5 kilowatt of solar panels which gives you free power over summer. I want to tell you also why you have to come to my open home this weekend. This private row has 8 houses down it, 2 of which sold last decade, and there was a 10-year gap. So one home sells every 3.5 years, which shows how rare it is. Come to my open home or call me for your own private viewing.